we now get more Dataverse default capacity for Power Platform and Dynamics 365 licenses. It's been applied to Power Platform Admin Center. We can see here default capacity in action. But then how do we know what actually is changing? So I have started a blog called the Licensing Guide, and here I've written about the changes in the December 2025 default capacity changes, illustrations about it, and also created a picture of what's it going to be like. So everybody gets more. You get 10 gigabytes of database storage if you have Power Automates or Power Apps licenses there. With Dynamics, you get even more. If you go to ERP and ERP Premium, then those are going to be even bigger chunks that you get as a base capacity, one-off entitlement into your tenants. But there's now a better way to illustrate and calculate this, because I created a Dataverse capacity calculator. So this is a tool now that includes the changes of what's new in December 2025. And here we can then interactively check that, okay, what is our licensing and how does that then impact the amount of database and file capacity that we get into our tenants. So let's say that we would have no Dynamics licenses there. We start with just, let's say, Power Apps Premium. We've got 50 seats of those. So we get the one-off 20 gigabytes of database capacity, and then we get additional capacity per each licensed user there, and file capacity the same there as well. But then let's say that we also go and deploy Dynamics 365 ERP Finance Premium, for example. Hey, then we get a lot more, because that now defines that what's going to be our default capacity, the one-off allocation there, both for database and file. And then, of course, these accumulate also a lot more. If we have, let's say, 200 Finance Premium licenses, we already get a couple of terabytes worth of storage. So that's a tool you can use for evaluating the impact of those licenses to your database and file capacity for Dataverse in your tenant. Dataverse.licensing.guide is the place to go.